So this series is going to talk about appeal, and we're going to start with what happens when you file the appeal. So what is the process to appeal? So you already know that after you file the notice of appeal, or that after you've been sentenced, you have 30 days to file the notice of appeal. And the question is, so what happens after that? Well, the notice of appeal is filed with what's called a docketing statement, and then there's another document called a Praecipe. The Praecipe tells the court reporter to start preparing your transcript. The court reporter has 40 days to prepare your transcript. Don't be surprised or alarmed if the court reporter requests an extension. That could be normal. But generally, the court reporter has 40 days to prepare your transcript. Once the transcript is prepared, the attorney has 20 days to review the transcript, research the issues, and write what's called your merit brief. Now, in the brief, that is where all of the errors that occurred at trial are presented. So you write up the document called the brief that prepares or presents all of the errors. Now, I should say not every error, but all of the large errors, all of the big ones that you think could affect the outcome of the appeal. Those are raised in the merit brief. After your brief is filed, the state has 20 days to respond to that brief. Now, after the state files its brief, then you have another 10 days to reply. Now, after all of the briefs are done, you will get a notice from the Court of Appeals if you want oral argument, and that notice will tell you when oral argument is set. So oral argument is when both sides, your attorney and the state's attorney, go and present before the Court of Appeals, and the Court of Appeals is a 3-judge panel. So you get to argue your side, which is 15 minutes, and then the state gets to argue their side for 15 minutes. And basically what you're doing is you pull out the most important points in your brief, and that's what you present to the Court of Appeals. And the Court of Appeals, if any of those judges have questions, that's when they ask those questions also. So after the oral argument, generally about 3 to 4 months after that is you will get your opinion. So that the judges don't rule from the bench. They actually then will send you the opinion 3 to 4 months after the oral argument. So this whole process from the time you file the notice of appeal until you get the opinion is generally 9 to 12 months. So the appeal is not a quick fix. It is generally 9 to 12 months is the entire process. So that is the process for the appeal. Hope that helps.